Good morning. Myself, Professor K. N. Somavanshi from KK Institute of Engineering, Education and Research, Nashik, Department of Information Technology. Today, we will see the splay tree. Splay tree is the part of AVL tree, then part of data structure, and a part of AVL tree rotation. So, we will see what is a splay tree. Splay tree is a binary search tree, that is a BST. In a splay tree, m consecutive operation can be performed in om log n time. In that we perform the m consecutive operation. For example, rotate left is the one consecutive operation. Again, rotate left is another consecutive operation. Again, rotate left is another consecutive operation. Similar for right side, rotate right, again rotate right, again rotate right. Okay, so this is called as a consecutive operation. So splay tree m consecutive operation can be performed. Single operation may require O of n time, but average time to perform the m operation will need om log n time. Okay, so remember that average time to perform the m operation will be need om log n time. When node is accessed, it is moved to the top through a set of operation known as a splaying. When any node is accessed, it moves to the top every time. Splaying technique is similar to rotation in AVL tree. This will make the future access of the node cheaper. Okay, in that it is a cheaper than AVL tree. Unlike AVL tree, splay tree do not have the requirement of storing the balance factor. What happened in AVL tree? There is a requirement of storing the balance factor. In splay tree, there is not requirement of storing the balance factor of every node. This save the space and simplify the algorithm to, to a great extent. To a great extent. So this is the splay tree. So this is called as a splay tree. Splay tree is a self-adjusted binary search tree in which every operation of element rearrange the tree so that element is placed at the root position of the tree. Splaying an element is a process of bringing it to the root position by performing the suitable rotation operation. With the help of splaying an element, we can bring the most frequent use of element closer to the root of the tree so that any operation on those elements perform quickly. Technique of splay tree, that is the rotation of splay tree: zig rotation, zag rotation, zig rotation, zag rotation, zigzag rotation, and zig rotation. So remember that this is a technique of splay tree. Now we'll see the first zig rotation. What is zig rotation? Sorry. Zig rotation is a splay tree is similar to the single right rotation in AVL tree rotation. Zig rotation, every node moves one position to right from its current position. Consider the following example. Okay, so what is a zig rotation? Mean that rotate right one position. Okay, so this is called as a zig rotation. Yes, everyone. Right mean that rotate right means that zig rotation. Look at this figure at left side. Mean that in this we only rotate the one position. mean that 3 will be become the root node and 5 will be become the child node. Okay, and child node of 3 will be become the child node of 5. Okay, so this is called as a simple right rotation. That is called as a zig rotation. So this is one of the technique of split tree. Next one, zag rotation is in a split tree is similar to the left single left rotation in AVL tree rotation. In zag rotation, every node moves one position to the left from its current position. Consider the following example. Look at this figure. Zag rotation means that we rotate left. Mean that 5 will be become the node root node and 3 will be become the child of 5. And child of 5, that is a 4, will become the child of 3. Okay, so this is called as a left rotation. Okay, so this is called as a zig and zag rotation. Zig rotation is a right rotation and zag rotation is a left rotation. Look at this example. Zig zig rotation. Zig zig means that double right rotation. Look at this figure. This is a figure. 5 will be root node, 3 is a child, left child, and 6 is a right child. Then suppose we rotate the right. Then what happen? First, 5 will be rotate, mean that 3 will become the root node. Okay, that is a single rotation. Then after that 2 will be become the root node. Okay, so this is a your output. 2 will be become the root node, then 3 will be child and 5 will be a leaf node. Okay, so this is called as a zig zig rotation. Okay, in that zig zig rotation we double right rotation called zig zig. And what is a zigzag? Double left rotation is called as a zigzag rotation. Look at this figure. 3 is the root node. Okay, when we rotate 3, 3 will be become child node, then 5 will become the root node. Then after that double rotation, when we rotate 5, 5 will become the child node and 6 will become the root node. Okay, so this, look at this. So this is called as a zigzag rotation. Okay, so this is a technique, zigzag and zigzag. Zigzag means that double right, zigzag means that double left. Look at this figure. Zig rotation means that rotate right, rotate right. Okay, here we rotate right. Okay, 4 will become the uh, root node and 5 will be become the middle and 6 will become the leaf node. Then zag rotation, rotate left, mean that here 4 will be become the root node and 3 will become the right node. Okay, so this is a call as a zig rotation and zag rotation. Okay, zig rotation and zag rotation. Then zag rotation. Here zag rotation means that rotate left. Okay. Here we rotate left 4 and 3 will be middle and 2 will be here. Okay. So this is zag rotation. And zig rotation means that rotate right. Okay, here we rotate the 5 at right side, so 4 become the root node and 5 become the child node. Okay, so this is called as a zig zag rotation and zag zig rotation. Okay, so this is a for split tree. Okay, so we revise again, we take the review of the split tree. Split tree is a say, binary search tree. Okay, in that m consecutive operation get performed. Okay, that is called as a split tree. M consecutive means that consecutive rotate the left side or right side. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.